power that's in here.
Wow.
This band has done a 172.8 at a show. Not with these woofers and that power.
Yeah.
But these woofers will take it, but I don't have the power.
Yeah. Making me nervous. This is. Oh, you going in?
I've been in it before.
Hey, I was about 65. Imagine 171, that same level. I did it to myself. One time. Look, I thought my inside was coming out sitting like snot on my nose.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Charge 16.
Yeah.
6 and 16.7. I dropped to 16.2. So yeah, electrical solid.
Did you build all of this? This looks good. Wow. You already broke your windshield, dang.
That's a double windshield.
Really? Wow.
You gotta get in here with us, Chris.
I'll watch for right. So what frequency are you
Go
peaking
get all the
at?
way in.
I mean, I can. What frequency are you peaking at?
56.
Oh, God.
You gotta go all the way.
Yeah, so how much power's on this?
Right now about 1200 watts of woofer.
Okay.
Because my voltage, I got old batteries.
Yeah.
This was a 2-day throw subs in, put amps in it thing.
Wow, really?
I just got them subs and amps Thursday.
Okay.
One sub did not make it on shipping. So nothing happened to the sub, it just didn't make it.
Yeah, got it.
FedEx said they lost it.
Dang. That's not good on the body.
He's the one designing my Trailblazer.
You're good. Yeah, fourth order high ratios really help on that peak high end and SPL pressure, especially coming from here to there.
Yeah. Wow, I love it.
Awesome.
Loudest non-extreme gavel in the world.
Damn.
Not as it sits.
I'm waiting for him to pay attention. Right here.
Woo!
Oh shit, I can't even do this.
Wow, this is pretty cool. I like the way the design is of this. This is like an SPL based ratio build. Wow.
Here, I gotta watch some movies.
That's like a 68, 69 dB, something like that, my guess.
66.
66? Wow. Wow. That's not good on the body.
He's the one designed my Trailblazer.
You're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, fourth order high ratios really help on that peak high end and SPL pressure, especially coming from here to there.
Yeah. Wow.